Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Paylinks in Wix. So let's get started. First, you just have to go to wix.com, and then if you don't have an account, you need to get started. So basically, it's easy to create an account on Wix because you could just simply create an account using your email, password, or you can connect using your Google account or Facebook. For me, the easiest way is connect my Google account, and here is your Wix dashboard. Now, in order for you to go and create pay links, you need to look or select a site. For example, this one right here. This is your product site, let's just say. And you're going to set up or create your pay link on this specific site. So you have to click this one or you have to edit site. Now, a piece of reminder, everything that you set up here, like payments, is totally different from other sites. Let's just say for this site, you have set up a payment using your PayPal. In other sites, you can set up your payment using your Visa, MasterCard, or bank account. So anyways, to go directly to pay links, you can basically click this getting paid. As you can see, there are tons of options here if you want to set up. But for this tutorial, let's go directly to pay links. So if you tap this getting paid, you will see also other options such as connect setup, pay link, invoices. Okay. You can see here price codes, also proposals, POS checkout. So let's go directly to pay links. So once you tap this pay links right here, you will see this get paid instantly with pay links. Sell items from your catalog, set up shopping, customize checkout. You can also share pay links and choose how many times you'll get paid for each link. Just click this one and then you will see these two type of pay link, custom amount and catalog item. So basically, if you tap this custom amount right here and then tap next, then you will see this one. By the way, create a custom link. So in the context of payment links, this one is personalized URL that you can create to reflect your brand identity. Instead of using a generic system generated link, you can customize the web address, often by including your business name or a unique keyword so that it looks professional and builds trust with your customer. So here you can set up or create link name, okay, and then set up the price. Now you can add something here, a message. Okay, everything is up to you. This one is optional, but it's better to add one. So this custom link not only reinforces your brand, but also makes the payment process feel more secure and streamlined for the customer. And then once you have added something here, you can also add an image or a logo. If you tap this one right here, then basically you can choose the image that you want to add so that we'll probably know that it's from you. So you can create your own image here using Canva if you're good at it. So create an image using Canva. If you don't, it's okay. You can just go back to Wix and then look for media library, search for something, let's just say notebook, something like that, for example. But I strongly suggest to create your own or have your own image to build trust to your customers. Okay, so you can select one for the sake of this tutorial, select, and this image will appear right here. So suppose that this is your product or this is your company logo. Once you're done, then click create pay link and then share this to your customer. Now I cannot do that because I'm just using the basic version of Wix. If you want to get this feature, of course, you need to upgrade your plan. Now let's see what are the features that you can unlock once you have upgraded your plan. So this is the price. And obviously, these are the features that you will unlock once you upgrade your plan, including you can create your own pay link, okay, for your customer. So basically, that's it. If you have selected that, then proceed to check out. Okay, and then the other one we have here is catalog item. So this is what it looks like. Just select that specific or like many products you want. So this catalog item is essentially a product or service that you list in your online catalog. In the context of payment systems or e-commerce platforms, It refers to an individual offering that includes all relevant details such as the name, description, price, images, which you can then sell or include in a payment link or checkout process. For example, this one right here. If you're selling a custom vase like this, each design or size variation can be set up as a catalog item. So this helps you organize your product and make it easier for customers to select what they want to purchase. So that's the difference between two. But before you proceed with this one, I strongly suggest that you must go to settings first and then connect or add your payment method here. So click accept payments, and then you need to be very specific with your country or your location. So if you're living in United States, just go to the search icon or search bar and then look for United States. You will see that each country has different payment methods. So, for example, this one in United States, they will accept credit and debit card, Visa, MasterCard, and so on. All you have to do is to click connect and just connect your bank account. You can also toggle on the payment method that you want to add here. So let's just say if you want to add this, okay, just turn this one on, okay, and then continue. And that's it. Now for PayPal, you just have to click connect. If you don't have an account, create an account on PayPal. But if you have your PayPal already, just click this one and then log in your account, and your PayPal will be linked to your Wix. That's it. And then lastly is this manual payments. Click connect. Here you will have your option. So if you tap this one, then you can see this manual payment, cash payment, offline payment, and cash on delivery. You can also let your customers know how to pay. So you can just basically add something here, instruction, the very specific instruction of how they're going to pay you, especially for cash on delivery. Okay. You can also customize this one. And then after that, click continue. So basically, that's how easy it is to add manual payments or add your payment method here on Wix. So that's it. You just have to go to pay links and then choose between custom amount or catalog item. So why create Paylink? Of course, Paylinks are important because they offer a simple no-code solution to collect payments quickly and securely without needing a full e-commerce website. So basically, that's it. And all you have to do is, of course, upgrade your plan in order for you to unlock this feature. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.